Hi, I'm Danny Schramm. I'm with First Choice HVAC and Plumbing, and I'm here at a customer's house about to install the new water heater. All right, well, we got this water hose hooked up to this here water heater. We're going to change this one out. The draining process is really easy. You just take a water hose, normal water hose, hook it to this drain here, and there's going to be a little screwdriver area for a flathead screwdriver, and you just kind of stick it in there and open it up. And that's going to allow the water to come through here. But here in a minute, I'm going to break one of these free so we can get it unvapor locked. All right, well, I've unhooked everything upstairs in the water heater, the two supply lines, the gas line, the TMP, and now we're waiting for it to drain. It's draining now. It's kind of got a slow drain due to sediment. It'll be about another 20-25 minutes, and we should be able to get it out of the attic. All right, guys, this water heater has now been drained. We're going to go ahead and disconnect this hose and these water lines, and we're going to take it out of here and put the new one in. All right, we got the old water heater out. We're about to put the new one in and hook everything up and see how it goes. We got the new water heater in with the new expansion tank, new water lines, new T&P line, new pan line. Got it filling up right now, about to fire it up and see how things go. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day.